Today I'm going to show you how to set up a question during your lecture while you're presenting. All right. To ask your students a question, all you need to do is to pull up your web browser and go to instructor.presentria.com. And then you log in. And then you'll be able to see the instructor portal in a second. So first, select your question type. There are different kinds of questions that you can ask. For example, you can ask multiple choice with others, text, fill in the blanks, Likert scale, private message, numeric value, file upload, and a list. Let's say I want to have a multiple choice question, and I want to have 4 potential answers. So I select 4, and here I'm going to type in my question. Okay, so once you're ready, all you need to do is to press the Start button at the bottom. Okay, and then at this moment, you simply ask your students to go to presentria.com and enter the session number, which is shown on the screen in yellow, which is 1487. So let's say I have got a student called John Smith who logged into the system using his cell phone. And this student cast a vote or answered the question. As you can see, 1 out of 1 students just now entered the answer. I can actually see who is that person by clicking the participants list, which is John Smith, and I can actually see the answer that he has submitted, which is A. Isn't that very easy? Thank you for watching.